a very important issue that gets much too little attention here in the halls of Congress or in the corporate media. And that is that in a time, as everybody knows, when the middle class of this country is struggling, when people are working longer hours for lower wages, when half of our people live paycheck to paycheck, when people can't afford health care, they can't afford child care, finding it hard to fill up their gas tanks. All over this country, there is a growing movement on the part of workers to try to organize and form unions.
Stimulus checks are finally going out. All the information that you need to know right in this video. Hey, what is going on YouTube? Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys are having a great day. Can I just say this? Will the real president of the United States please stand up?
May I have your attention, please?
Welcome to our show where we will discuss what is happening in our country. We keep you updated on stimulus checks and we would do a ton of giveaways. Today, we've got states giving out anywhere from $850 stimulus checks up to $1,200. All this information is in today's video you don't want to miss. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the news. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. We have so much to talk about. Let's dive in. So yes, it's true. Stimulus checks are finally going out this month. It's about dang time. If you are one of the millions that were waiting for a stimulus check, you were commenting saying, we need more money, then smash that like button and let us know how excited you are to finally be getting a stimulus check. There are 1 million residents that will receive stimulus payments in May. But which states are these? You've got California, Delaware, Indiana, and Illinois can expect to receive state stimulus payments this month. Look, even though Congress does not have any plans to send out stimulus checks, that isn't stopping states from sending them out. Before we go to the next stimulus information, we gotta stop and say thank you for doing the super thanks. We have one subscriber on here that we really appreciate that they gave a donation to this channel to help us keep us going so we can keep bringing you guys this news. So now, the fourth stimulus check for 2022 update. After the $4,000 one-time cash benefit deadline, new $1,200 payments will be delivered in days. Today, the fourth stimulus check. In the coming days, tens of thousands of Americans will begin receiving stimulus checks valued up to $1,200. While other federal stimulus packages is unlikely at this time, states and towns have developed their initiatives. California is one of them, having sent out $12.3 million stimulus checks totaling $8.8 billion. They were distributed under two different programs, Golden State Stimulus 1 and Golden State Stimulus 2. These stimulus checks might be valued up to $1,200 or $1,100 depending on the amount. In mid-March and mid-April, the Golden State stimulus checks will be distributed in 2 installments. It comes after the deadline for New Jersey residents to receive a one-time payment up to $4,000 that has passed already, but they're trying to get more things going. So after that deadline, they're trying to get these new $1,200 payments out to be delivered in days. Now, if you live in Oregon, I've got some really good news because you could receive a stimulus money as early as this summer. According to the governor, Kate Brown signs a new bill that some people who live in Oregon could see more money in pockets shortly, which intends to give qualified state citizens a one-time payment of $600 will be passed by the state Senate, okay? According to reports, stimulus checks will be distributed to low-income households with persons working during the first year of COVID. Right now, many people living in Oregon are like me, trying to make ends meet at the cost of living that has risen dramatically. These payments make a big difference for low-income people and working families. They can assist to pay a utility bill, buy medicine, or buy necessities like diapers and groceries. If the bill is passed, 250,000 people in Oregon will be eligible for these payments according to the Oregon Department of Revenue. Guys, all this information, stimulus checks are going out like crazy. They're doing everything they can to get you guys the relief that you need. You've got all of these states that have come together and said, we've got to take care of our residents. All right, guys, I hope that this information has helped. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to jump in on the Visa gift card giveaway that we're doing on this channel one time every single month. And all you have to do is smash that like button and comment the word Visa gift card for your chance to win. Again, thank you for doing the super thanks where you gave a donation. I think it was $1, but hey, $1, $2, that's amazing. That only helps us to do our job and to make sure that we do the research and take the time to figure out all this information to keep you guys updated. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are truly the best. Have a happy Tuesday, and until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace.